Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your watch model and OS, so you search compatible apps. Once done, open the paired phone's app store and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Use precise search terms like brand plus function or browse categories and filters. If you see developer or compatibility notes, read them. They save time. Tap Install or Get on promising apps and watch for permission requests. This ensures you only download apps designed for your exact watch and OS. You now install and configure the app so it runs well on your watch. Many apps install to your phone first. Choose the option to add it to your watch or open the companion app to push it across. Grant necessary permissions, notifications, location, sensor access, because the app needs them to operate. Once installed, open it on your phone and follow any on-watch setup prompts. Sync data and set preferences like update frequency. These steps make sure the app communicates with both devices reliably. You finish by verifying and testing every key feature so nothing surprises you later. Use the app for its main functions, notifications, sensors, widgets, and observe any missing data or delays. If something fails, restart both devices, check for app and firmware updates, and repair Bluetooth. These quick fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall, then contact the developer with a concise description and log screenshots. This final loop gets you a working app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.